I've just received all my Boston Sax reeds right here, and I'm gonna play them all and compare them so that you can see the difference. Let's go. All right, we got the regular black box for a nice full tone. We got the blue box, more classical. We got the silver box, a little brighter, and then the brightest of all should be the red box right here. Look at that. All right, let's get started with the traditional black box. This is how Boston Sax started, and this is the reeds I've been using for the past years. This is really the perfect combination between a jazz dark sound and also classical. And it has a thicker tip and a full heart. Here's how that one sounds. Now on to the silver. This is meant to give a little brighter, higher end of the horn, especially getting a little more projection as well. This one has a thicker tip and a medium heart. Here's how that one sounds. Now onto the red box. This is the brightest and most responsive. This one has a thin tip and a medium heart. So it's gonna be very, very responsive. I'm actually really excited to try it. I've never tried this one. Let's check it out. And finally, the blue cut. This is inspired on the traditional classical saxophone sound like the Van Doren blue box in a similar way. And it features a thin tip, of course, for the faster response, and a thick heart, and it's also a filed cut. So this one's going to be really responsive, but it's going to keep that dark sound in the essence. Let's check it out.
right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to play over one of my funky play-along tracks, and I'm gonna use each reed. So I'm gonna do an entire tape with the different reeds, but I'll just do a little comp and a label so you can see which reed I'm using. So I'm gonna go from one to the other, from one reed to the other, so you can hopefully hear some difference. I definitely felt difference while playing, so hopefully we'll do that. I'm gonna bounce around those tracks and you can hear it. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's go.